Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of permanently merging an audio track with a video using VLC Media Player. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a new video file that has your chosen audio integrated, perfect for situations like replacing a soundtrack, adding narration, or correcting a missing audio clip. And the best part? You don't need any fancy software. VLC can handle it solo. Let's dive right in. Start by opening VLC Media Player on your computer. From the top, head to the Media menu and select Convert Large Save. If shortcuts are your thing, you can press Ctrl+R and get there in a snap. This kicks off the process by opening up the Open Media window, where we'll begin setting things up. Now, look for the +Add button. This is your entry point for the video you want to work with, so go ahead and click it, then browse to select your video file. It doesn't really matter what format it's in. VLC is versatile and handles most video types with ease. Next, let's ensure that VLC knows we want to do more than play a standard video file. Check the box that says Show More Options. Once you expand these, you'll see the option for Play another media synchronously. This is a key step. It tells VLC you want to blend another media file, in this case your new audio track, to play right alongside your chosen video. Check this box, and then click Browse next to the Extra Media box. Now just navigate to your audio file, select it, and hit Select. Think of it like pairing the perfect wine with your meal. VLC is about to combine your visual and auditory ingredients. With both video and audio lined up, it's time to move forward. Head to the Convert Save button at the bottom, but here's a small detail that's easy to miss. Click the drop-down arrow, then select Convert. This puts you into the conversion mode instead of just playing the file. Inside the Convert window, you'll need to choose an output format from the Profile drop-down menu. For most folks, video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4, works great. It's widely compatible and preserves good quality. This is like choosing the container for your new creation. Make sure it'll fit wherever you plan to use it. Next, decide where your finished file will be saved on your computer. Click the Browse button under the Destination section. Choose a location that's easy to find, your desktop perhaps, and give the file a name. Don't forget to add the .mp4 extension, like newvideo.mp4, or whichever format matches your chosen profile. VLC doesn't guess the extension, so this is a detail worth double-checking. Now you're ready for the big moment. Click Start. VLC will begin processing, merging the video and audio streams together. You'll see a progress bar in the main VLC interface. Depending on the length of your video and the speed of your computer, this might take a few moments. Don't worry if it seems quiet. VLC doesn't always show elaborate conversion stats. Sit tight and let it work its magic. When the progress bar finishes, your new video file, complete with the new audio track, will be right where you saved it. Open it up and double-check to make sure it sounds and looks just the way you want. If something's not quite right, retrace your steps, making sure you paired the right files and chose compatible formats. And that's it. Now you know how to permanently add audio to a video using just VLC Media Player. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need a hand troubleshooting. Hit subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.